I like that dance.
Yes, Daddy! Sir!
Oh, nice.
I always wanted this. Yeah. We're gonna look what we got.
Awesome.
We got a lot of cutie canes.
Awesome.
I hope this is. This is for me. This one is for Jaden. This one is for Santa Claus. A T-Rex. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted for Christmas, but I forgot to ask it. This is nice. I don't know who this is for, but that's James. I gotta remember that.
You guys can read.
Mama, look it.
Awesome. That's
Look
cool.
how long the hair is.
Oh,
Isn't it? Daddy, just look behind you. Look outside.
oh, snow. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna open this. Cause this
What's
is
your name?
Sorry. Daddy, and look what we got.
Nice.
Look at the back. Hey! What? Snow? Who did that? Who did? Look what my presents up here.
Oh, I did that. That was the presents I wrapped for the kids yesterday.
That was from This is what I wanted.
Wow.
See,
Wow.
Mom?
That is awesome. Who's that, Thor?
It's the Hulk.
Oh, the Hulk.
We gave this, and we got one too.
That's
Good
great.
job, Jaden. Jaden, look in your stocking. There's more stuff in my stocking. Oh my God. What? I don't know why I have this. This is creepy. Jaden, do you even know what this is? I have another one. Another one. Monster High! Yes!
Wow. You told him Monster High, right?
Yes! Hey, that's already open.
What is
A
that?
blue candy cane! For me!
Well, didn't you tell Santa you wanted a blue candy cane?
Mama, there's a big box for me! There's a huge one! Let's open it! Jaden, it's for me. You can help me. What? I don't know why I got this. This is wet. I got this one.
It's a telescope.
It's a telescope. Here's the telescope.
That's so you can look at the stars.
Whoa! Daddy, I got something to look at the stars.
That is awesome.
Let's see what's in this one. This is mine. And I'm going to open this. I'm way over. Just buy one ad! A Spider-Man thing.
Wow.
We always wanted that for it. I really got a Monster High thing. What the? I don't care. I'm lucky. I got 4 air Hulksmen. I got this.
Wow.
Oh,
I never got one of those. And the first day. It is Christmas.
Wow.
It's the blue. It's blue one. This is mine. And this is mine. I don't know what and this is. Jaden, I see a Furby right there.
That one, Jay, that one has lots of writing on it. Who's that one from? What does that one say?
It says J-A-D-E-N.
From who? Santa? What does all the writing say?
Yeah, it's for Santa.
Okay.
My stuff is from Santa. This one is the cutest one. Well, I'm not going to open this one first. I'm going to open this one first. Daddy!
Whoa.
I always wanted this! I got this process! Mom, look what mine does.
Aww.
Daddy, wanna open? A baby! Mommy! Something stuffed just like Elena!
Whoa.
What the?
Nice.
Now we both have one! We don't have to share! I was so sad that I was that one is Isaiah's. Because that one is Donald's. That's Isaiah's right here. This is Isaiah's. Santa knows them. I don't even know what's in it. Because it's small and I don't know what's in it. I asked for a remote control car. This is like that.
Wow.
That's kind of like CJ, but different. Come on. Woo. Mama, I got Princess and a pop star.
Wow.
I hope
It's awesome.
this last one is my cup. This is my favorite girl. Rilla! I can't get my try again. Everybody, calm down. Everything is always dragon. I do not know what's in it. And it's kind of like a dead face. So. Hey, Santa, put it upside down. Santa has forgotten my dragon. Because I asked for a toy dragon in a